All right, let's try a little bit harder one. So let's say we have y. Oh, it's not writing. 1 second. All right, so let's say we have y minus 2x is equal to 4, and then we have another line that's, let's just say y is equal to negative 3x. Oh, this color's terrible. Let's use a different color. All right, so we have our two lines, and one is y minus 2x equals 4, and the other one is y equals negative 3x. So now what we're going to do is use substitution for this as well. So we know that y is negative 3x, and y minus 2x is also 4, right? So we also know that these two y values have to be equivalent at the point of intersection. So therefore, what we can do is substitute this y right here for this y right here. And then we're going to be left with just x's in the equation. So now stick with me here. So we know that y is negative 3x, right? So instead of y here, we're going to write negative 3x. So negative 3x minus 2x equals 4. And look at that. Now we have a fairly simple linear equation to solve. So let's make this, actually no, let's keep going. So now we have negative 3x minus 2x, which is negative 5x, is equal to 4. And then we divide by negative 5 on both sides, and we get our x value. So, all right, so x is negative 4 over 5. Boom. So the point of intersection, or sorry, the x-coordinate of intersection is negative 4/5, which is close to negative 1. So now let's figure out what the y-coordinate is. So we know that the y-coordinate has to be negative 3 times whatever the x-coordinate is. So we have y is equal to negative 3 times our x-coordinate. So negative 4 over 5. Now we can go ahead and multiply it out, and we get our y-coordinate. So y is equal to, remember, when you multiply fractions, you just multiply the top and the bottom. So we get negative 3 times negative 4 is 12. 1 times 5 is 5. 12/5. And always check to see if you can simplify the fractions. In this case, we can't simplify any of them, so we just leave it as that. So our point of intersection for these two lines is negative 4/5 and 12,5. And always it's good to just kind of estimate and get a little bit of intuition on what this means. So negative 4/5 is around negative 1, and then 12 over 5 is around 2.2 or so. So they intersect at around, let's see, like probably around somewhere around here. So let's just say that one of the lines okay, not like that. Let's just say one of the lines looks like this, and another one looks like that. And so their point of intersection would be right there. And again, I just drew two random lines. It might not be these, but so that's a little bit more sort of a way to see this in a more intuitive manner. And we are done.